Greetings, fellow adventurers and dreamers of the extreme, and a warm welcome to World Icons and Travel. Today, we set our sights on the ultimate terrestrial frontier, the zenith of our planet. The majestic Mount Everest, straddling the border between Nepal and Tibet. Known in Nepal as Sagarmatha and in Tibet as Komolungma, this colossal peak has captivated human imagination for centuries, embodying both the ultimate challenge and the pinnacle of natural grandeur. Join us as we embark on an in-depth exploration of Everest's awe-inspiring geography, its dramatic geological origins, the compelling history of its exploration, and the brave souls who dared to ascend its formidable slopes, the rich culture of the Sherpa people who call its foothills home, and the profound environmental impact of human presence on this iconic mountain. We will unravel the geological forces that sculpted this titan, recount the epic tales of human endeavor against its icy heights, and understand the delicate balance between reverence and impact on the roof of the world. A giant among giants, the geography and geology of Mount Everest. Mount Everest's imposing stature is a direct result of the immense geological forces that shaped the Himalayas, the youngest and highest mountain range on Earth. We'll embark on a detailed geographical and geological exploration of Everest, examining its location within the Mahalangur Himalayas, its precise coordinates, and its relationship to neighboring giants like Lhotse and Nuptse. We'll delve into the tectonic collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates that thrust these mountains skyward, the types of rock that comprise Everest, and the ongoing processes of uplift and erosion that continue to shape its formidable profile. We'll also explore the extreme altitude and its impact on the environment, including the permanent ice and snow cover and the unique atmospheric conditions at the summit. Understanding the geography and geology of Everest is crucial for appreciating the sheer scale and the environmental challenges of this colossal peak. The quest for the summit, the history of Everest exploration. The story of Mount Everest is inextricably linked to the compelling history of human ambition and the relentless quest to conquer its seemingly insurmountable heights. We'll journey through the early attempts to survey and map the region, the pioneering expeditions of the early 20th century, and the historic first ascent by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in 1953. We'll explore the challenges faced by these early climbers, the evolution of mountaineering equipment and techniques, and the triumphs and tragedies that have marked the history of Everest expeditions. We'll also examine the different routes to the summit, their unique challenges, and the increasing popularity of climbing Everest in recent decades. Understanding this history of exploration is essential for appreciating the courage and determination of those who have dared to challenge the roof of the world. Guardians of the High Peaks, the culture of the Sherpa people. The Sherpa people, indigenous to the high valleys of the Himalayas, have a deep and enduring connection to Mount Everest, serving as indispensable guides and porters for mountaineering expeditions. We'll explore the rich culture, traditions, and language of the Sherpa people, their unique adaptation to the high-altitude environment, and their profound spiritual reverence for the mountains. We'll examine their crucial role in the history of Everest climbing, their unparalleled mountaineering skills, and the significant contributions they have made to the safety and success of countless expeditions. Understanding the culture of the Sherpa people is essential for appreciating the human element of Everest and the deep respect they hold for their sacred mountains. A symphony of ice and stone. The diverse ecosystems of the Everest region. The Everest region, despite its extreme altitude, supports a diverse range of ecosystems, from the lower alpine forests to the high-altitude glaciers and barren rock. We'll explore these unique environments, examining the flora and fauna that have adapted to survive in this challenging landscape. We'll delve into the role of glaciers in the region's hydrology and the impact of climate change on these vital ice masses. We'll also examine the delicate balance of the high-altitude ecosystems and the challenges of preserving biodiversity in this fragile environment. Understanding the diverse ecosystems of the Everest region is crucial for appreciating the environmental significance of this iconic mountain. The perils of the heights, challenges and dangers of climbing Everest. The allure of Everest comes with significant risks, and climbing to its summit presents a multitude of extreme challenges and inherent dangers. We'll explore the physiological effects of high altitude, including altitude sickness and the death zone above 8,000 meters. We'll examine the treacherous terrain, including ice falls, crevasses, and unpredictable weather patterns. We'll also discuss the logistical complexities of mounting an Everest expedition and the critical importance of experience, preparation, and teamwork. Understanding the perils of the heights is essential for appreciating the immense undertaking and the inherent risks involved in attempting to climb Mount Everest. The human footprint, environmental impact, and conservation efforts. The increasing popularity of climbing Mount Everest has led to significant environmental challenges, including the accumulation of waste, the impact on fragile ecosystems, and the strain on local resources. We'll explore these environmental concerns, examining the sources of pollution and the efforts being made to clean up the mountain. We'll also discuss the impact of tourism on Sherpa communities and the initiatives promoting sustainable tourism practices. Understanding the human footprint on Everest is crucial for advocating for responsible stewardship of this iconic natural wonder. The spiritual significance, Sagarmatha and Komalungma. Beyond its physical grandeur and the challenge it presents to climbers, Mount Everest holds deep spiritual significance for the people who live in its shadow. We'll explore the reverence with which the Nepalese and Tibetan people view the mountain. Known as Sagarmatha, Mother of the Universe, and Komalungma, Goddess Mother of the World. We'll examine the myths, legends, and religious beliefs associated with the peak and the ways in which it is integrated into the spiritual lives of the local communities. Understanding the spiritual significance of Everest provides a deeper appreciation for its cultural importance beyond mountaineering. Mount Everest, a titan of rock and ice, continues to inspire awe, challenge human limits, and hold profound spiritual significance. Its majestic presence commands respect, and its story is a testament to the power of nature and the enduring spirit of human endeavor. As we conclude our exploration of this iconic peak, we are reminded of the delicate balance between our ambition and the need to protect the world's most extraordinary places. Join us as we continue to explore the world's most captivating icons and travel destinations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to World Icons and Travel.